Hey everybody, I'm Scott with My Tractor Guy. Let me show you what we got going today. Well, here's our job for today. We got a gravel driveways, a little light on material on this end. We got the borders and a wall there, which will make it a little bit difficult. First things first, we got to blow all this stuff off. Walker will start grading it just to kind of loosen up some of this material and fill things out. We're got to put some base right in there and kind of level a pad out for a golf cart. And then they want us to create a little bit of a lip here so water doesn't come in. Water looks like water comes down the street here, and it probably just turns and goes down that way. So we're going to create a little bit of a lip there to keep water from coming off of the road, and it'll take it on down the rest of the way. I'm gonna hit this with the blower real quick, and we'll get rocking and rolling. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I'll try to walk without limping. I got a bad hip I got to replace, but this is what we got, what we came up with. It's hard to tell on the video, but this right here is kind of flat out to this point, and then it tapers down. And so that was they wanted that kind of leveled out a little bit. It still slopes this way, but they wanted that leveled out for the golf cart, and then have room for parking their car and everything. So there was a lot of, because of the edges, we had to do a lot of stuff by hand raking and stuff like that. Ran out of fuel on the compactor, so we had to track the rest of it in with the tractor, but that turned out okay. And that's it, folks.